Meaning of license.
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 License. The word license can have different meanings depending on the context, but in general, it refers to a legal permission or authorization granted by an authority to do something that would otherwise be prohibited. For example, a driver's license gives someone the legal right to operate a vehicle on public roads, while a software license grants the user permission to use a program or application according to specific terms and conditions. Similarly, a business may need to obtain a license to operate legally in a particular industry or location, while individuals may require licenses to carry out certain professions, such as doctors, lawyers, or pilots.